Ever held back a sneeze? You're not alone. Let's discuss why that's not a good idea. Sneezing clears irritants like germs and dust. It helps keep your nasal passages clear and your body healthy. Holding in a sneeze builds pressure in your head, similar to an overinflated balloon. It can cause headaches or sinus problems. It can even damage your eardrums. Your body must release that energy like a safety valve. Imagine feeling a sneeze in a meeting and holding it back. Later, you might suffer a painful migraine. Next time you feel that tickle, grab a tissue and let it out. Allow nature to do its job. Sneezing is your body's defense mechanism. Don't suppress it. Pay attention to your body. Like and share for more health tips. Subscribe for updates.